Hi, this is Nick at Alloy, and this is the Alloy Cross Retailer Scorecard. When we first start working with our customers, we find that they spend countless hours each week trying to wrangle the data across multiple retailers so their teams can analyze the business on Monday morning. So this leads to a lot of productivity issues, a loss of confidence in the integrity of the data, and not to mention the time to analyze the data in order to take action. The objective of this dashboard is to compare the relative performance of each of your retail customers on a weekly basis so your teams can manage by exception. So here we are. We've logged on to the Cross Retailer Scorecard. You can see at the top there are three visual views here, and you can see your data, your sales by partner. You can look at your sales by channel, e-commerce versus brick and mortar as an example. You can look at your sales by comp sales here. You can also look at your data and look at your average price point, your weeks of supply, and then your out of stocks as well, and see how you're trending out in market with your in stock or conversely out of stocks in market. Also, the key feature of Alloy is that you can render the data visually by leveraging geolocation. In this case, we are looking at postal area. So you can then really drill in and look at your product performance by postal code. Okay, down in the grid view of the data, I do see my partners. So I come in on Monday, I can analyze my business. How are my partners performing? How did they perform last week in sales? So week over week versus last year. What's the average price point by retail account? And how's that trending? What's my weeks of supply? What's my out of stock? My lost sales? How am I trending in locations? Do I have more or less? Am I in, I should say, more or less locations this year versus last year? There are other data elements here. Now we're pivoting the data by category. You can drill in category, those same set of KPIs or more, and then you can then look at by retailer. And another key aspect of the user experience in Alloy is I can filter as a user. I can filter on any piece of data here and then render it up top in that visual view. So here we are looking at sugar balloons just for Target. Here I'm looking at sales. How did it perform across time? The average price point, the week's supply, the out of stock, and then again, how is it performing by postal area? Next, you can look at your sales by store and e-commerce, drill in deeper, compare retail accounts to each other, and then by region, in this case, by country, within country, then by state, and then products, performance, and state. So that is the Cross Retailer Scorecard. If you want to set up some time, be more than happy to walk you through and show you how we can add value to you and your organization.